Okay. All right, everyone. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a very important lesson, an important idea. Quotations. Repeat after me, please. Quotations. A quotation is, or what is it? What is a quotation? Okay, a quotation comes from the word quote. To quote someone. That means to write down what someone said, write down what someone wrote. When we use quotations, we use special marks called quotation marks. And they look like this. You know what they look like? Yeah. Okay, sure. Like this, okay? Different size, but these are quotation marks. And this is really important when we want to write an essay, because we can use some specialists' ideas, and or we can use ideas from someone who has some special knowledge. And so this quotation writing is really important to use in it's important to know how. I'm going to teach you how to use it today. One of my students once, I taught her how to use quotations. She went to study in Canada to a college. She went to an ESL class. You all know ESL classes? ESL is like before going to a Canadian college, you study English classes. And she went to level 3, pretty high level ESL class. She went to level 3 ESL class. On her first day of writing, she used a quotation. And the teacher was surprised. The teacher said, "Where did you learn that?" And she said, I learned it in Japan. And then the teacher said, "Okay, then you should go to level 4. ESL level 4. She got moved up one level because she knew how to write these quotation marks. Yeah. Now, there's a special way to use them. I'm going to introduce a quotation to you. Let's show. I'm going to show you how we use this in writing. Okay. Now, I learned this. You maybe learned a really important quote too from Thomas Edison. Who's that? Thomas Edison. Inventor. An inventor. Good. Yeah. Thomas Edison said he was talking about genius. Yeah. You know what he said? Here's what he said. Now, before I say what he said, let's look at the style of a quotation mark. We use these special marks like this. It's nice to make a ball and then a hook. Ball. That's one that's long. That's better. And then at the end as well, we use them. What do you use in Japanese? You use like this? Is that right? Yeah, yeah. And before we use this, if we use the person who said it in the beginning, Thomas Edison, we use, said, then we must have a comma before the quotation mark. So comma, quotation mark, then period, quotation mark. This is one style of quotation, one style of quote. But when we use this, we don't use